Okay, so what's going on? You don't know? Are we gonna go look at some bear stuff? What? Like a bear paw print? On a dumpster? Are you gonna be brave? Are you gonna be brave? Oh, but you're putting your finger on it. It can't see you if you're putting your finger on it. Hey, can you say big talker? Say big talker. Big talker. Big talker. Say big talker.
I just need to outrun at least one person.
Say Auntie Paula is a big talker. Big talker.
Big talker.
What is the problem? I'm going.
Big talker.
Big talker.
Now point at Daddy and say the same thing.
Point at your mom.
You are brilliant. You are brilliant. What, babies?
What dumpster are we talking about?
There's this one right there.
It's like 2 feet
Jared, how
away.
you feeling? You feeling like
Right there, Jess.
What, babe?
I'm serious. I wore tennis shoes in case I have to run.
Hang on, he
Okay,
probably
good.
needs it.
Yeah, they need jackets. We need some jackets on you because you're like, okay, you need a jacket. You need to go get a jacket because it's too cold out here. Let's get your jacket.
Let's get a jacket. I got a jacket.
Okay. Brandon, you coming with us?
Yeah, I'm just putting these away.
Okay. Jeff, you game?
Or
Go walk down.
Go walk to see the bear claw print?
I think are we going to see the bear claw print? I think we're watching a movie.
Pretty sure he's copping out.
Oh, here we go. She's up and rolling.
Timing. Are we gonna go see a bear? What do bears say? Garr.
Mace, get your sweater on,
Like
sister.
monsters. Like a
You need
monster.
your sweater.
But we're together, so it's okay.
So you always different every question.
Putting shorts
What,
on you
babies?
while holding you is not
Okay, you're gonna get held? Okay.
really still.
Big-
He's like,
big
oh my God,
talker.
I'm not kidding, just be really still. There's a bear right
Auntie
next to
Potter's
the
a
door.
big
He's like,
talker.
"Do not move." And I'm like, and I like jumped on my chair, ran over the table, jumped out, and ran up to my room. And he was
What we're gonna do is we're gonna go see. What are we gonna go see, Mace?
A bear print.
A bear print. And what's it on? Do you know? And guess who's missing from us? Uncle Dan. So you know what that means? That means he's hiding somewhere to scare us, probably. No, that's Uncle Dan right there.
out here too, lame, miss.
That's Uncle Dan.
Oh.
Look at the moon, so bright. Okay, we're gonna go see the bear paw print.
Where's the moon?
And hopefully he's not outside. Hopefully he's still on his mountain. There's Chihuahua. Asher, big talker.
Benton,
All
what
I'm saying
is wrong with you?
big talker.
Do I not back up most of what I talk?
Absolutely not. Is that even in question? Okay, Miss, I have to put you down for a second, okay?
Why?
Because I'm gonna hold your hand so I can walk.
So she can make fun of Paula
And
in
look,
the video.
there's Mom.
Hi.
Hey, Benton, we need the flashlight. All right. We'll resume filming when we get there. Oh, I can kind of see the dumpster.
And there's no bears. Sad.
Oh, bear bait. There it goes.
Okay, they can outrun us, so all I'm gonna say is
Not outrunning.
Sienna.
Chihuahua's a quick
I
little
will
thing.
beat it.
Okay.
Great.
For my life.
Wait, wouldn't you stop to get your son to make sure he gets home in time?
No. Oh.
Hey, you have to give Maisie the flashlight so she can look.
What are you looking for, Mace? Right, where's your lantern, sister?
She forgot it. You have to give Maisie the flashlight, babes.
Here, Mace. I think I grabbed the wrong key.
Okay, come on, let's go to the dumpster, girl. Okay, where are we looking? All right, shine it on the dumpster. And where is it?
Where's his nose print?
There's the bear print. There it is, and there's where his nose was.
Oh, he was sniffing the garbage.
Yes, he was.
I don't see it.
He probably.
How do you not
You don't
see
see
it?
the paw prints? And then there's probably his little tongue. That he's probably licking
Dude, that
right
is
there.
definitely a bear print.
Dude was probably licking that.
Yeah, that's probably what it was, probably.
See?
JR.
What?
He was here, buddy. He was
What?
here.
He probably was only yay big if he can only get
Yeah,
that
he was
high.
probably a baby cub, which guess what that means?
Mama cubs right here.
Mama bear something.
All right. Good job, Mace. You found it again.
So you don't have.
Wait, hang on.
Okay.
No, come here. Come here. Okay. This
It's dark, so you have to like do
is
your thing.
Boogly Woogly. Hello, Miss Boogly Woogly.
Does that make you Mr. Boogly Woogly?
That makes me Mr. Boogly Woogly. Okay, now. Give me a kiss. For the camera. Kiss.
Oh.